Did you know that eating just one garlic clove can lower blood pressure, clean your blood, fight infection, burn body fat, and also protect your heart?
In today's video, we're diving deep into the powerful health benefits of garlic, the right way to use garlic, and the dangerous mistake many people make without even knowing. If you want to heal your health naturally, watch to the end because I am going to share with you the best way to eat garlic to get the maximum benefits. And trust me, it's not what most of you think. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural medicines in the world. The secret is actually a compound called allicin. This is what gives garlic its strong smell and its unbelievable healing abilities. When you chop, crush, squeeze, or chew garlic, the allicins activate. And this is actually what helps with blood pressure, cholesterol, inflammation, heart health, immunity, digestion, even detoxification. This is why so many people across the world use garlic as a natural remedy. One of the biggest health benefits of garlic is how well it helps lower high blood pressure. Garlic relaxes and widens the blood vessels so blood can flow easily. There are actually studies that show garlic works just as well as prescription medicines for mild high blood pressure. If you're dealing with headaches, dizziness, tingling hands, blurred vision, adding garlic to your diet can help improve circulation naturally. Garlic helps to remove toxin from the blood and also support liver function. This is why people who take garlic daily, they notice clearer skin, more energy, and even better digestion. When your blood is clean, your whole body performs better. Garlic actually works like a natural detox. Garlic is a natural antibiotic. It fights bacteria, viruses, and fungi without damaging your gut like prescribed antibiotics. If you're struggling with colds, sinus infections, yeast infections, sore throat, raw garlic or garlic tea can help your body fight back faster. This is why in Jamaica, many people use garlic with honey or ginger during flu season. Garlic helps reduce inflammation and it also increases fat burning. It doesn't melt fat by itself, but what it does is actually help your hormones to work properly so that your body burns the fat instead of storing it. This is why many people drink garlic water or garlic tea first thing in the morning. Garlic lowers cholesterol, reduces inflammation, and it prevents plaque from building up in your arteries. This protects against heart attack, strokes, and even clogged arteries. Lovelies, if heart disease runs in your family, garlic should be a part of your daily routine. To get the full benefits of garlic, lovelies, you must prepare it correctly. And here is the most important rule. When you crush or chop your garlic, you must let it sit for 10 minutes before you use it. Now, some of you may be wondering, why do I have to let it sit for so long? But this is actually how you activate the allicin. And if you can recall earlier in the video, this is the powerful healing component. If you cook garlic immediately, lovelies, you lost most of the benefits. Some of the best ways to get the most out of garlic are by crushing raw garlic and eating it on an empty stomach. You can also prepare some garlic water, and all you need to do, lovelies, is crush garlic, soak it in warm water, and then you drink. You can also prepare some garlic and honey mix, and also at the end of cooking, you can crush your garlic and have it. Even though garlic is powerful, it is not made for everyone. Avoid taking garlic on an empty stomach if you have acid reflux, stomach ulcers, and also be careful if you're on blood thinners and blood pressure medications. So yes, lovelies, the health benefits of garlic are incredible. From lowering blood pressure to boosting immunity, cleaning the blood, supporting your heart. Garlic is truly a superfood. Be sure to check out my garlic tea video, and if you want me to show you how to make garlic water or garlic honey, Comment below and I'll make a step-by-step video for you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so you'll never miss another natural health video. Thank you for watching.